My life began 4.5 billion years ago. I have been here for years, centuries, and eons, where I have witnessed life and death throughout. I have nurtured and buried many species and will do so till the world exists. Understand, you are just one of them. So you should always keep in mind that you are one of my creations. I created you just as I created all the living beings. It really doesn't matter whether you care for me or not. I would go on. My life doesn't need you, but you need me. I am always the reason for your survival. When I'm weak, you fail. When I'm strong, you win. I could be sweet or harsh at the same time, so the way I treat you will depend on the way you treat me. Your actions would determine your future, not mine. I can take your life anywhere, anytime, just as I gave it to you. Remember, I am always prepared to change. I am Mother Nature, the foundation of all living beauty.